If you're experiencing a runny nose, pain, and pressure in your head and face, or even a reduced sense of smell and taste, there's a high chance you might be suffering from sinusitis or a sinus infection. In this video, I want to introduce you to a simple solution. If you consume just 1 teaspoon of it daily, you can eliminate your sinus infection. About 90% of sinus infections are caused by viruses, around 5% by bacteria, and the rest by fungi. Now, most people treat their sinus infections in a way that actually worsens the situation, by taking antibiotics. Even if your doctor prescribes them within the first 1 to 5 days of your sinus infection, it's not the right approach because antibiotics don't kill viruses. Antibiotics only kill bacteria. And when you eliminate bacteria, you create an environment for other problems to arise, especially fungal overgrowth. This means that even if your sinus infection was bacterial, taking antibiotics can turn it into a fungal infection. At that point, treating the condition with regular antibiotics becomes very difficult. Most people are unaware of this and continue to take antibiotics. When their condition worsens, they resort to stronger antibiotics, then antihistamines, and eventually corticosteroids to reduce inflammation. However, this only worsens the situation, as the fungus can spread to the inner ear and cause an inner ear infection. 2 types of fungi can be involved in sinus infections: invasive and non-invasive fungi. Invasive fungi can damage the mucosal layers inside the sinuses and even penetrate bone and surrounding tissues, especially Aspergillus, the most common invasive fungus. It weakens your immune system by suppressing vitamin D receptors, accelerating fungal growth. If you have blood sugar problems, diabetes, autoimmune diseases, or HIV, your immune system is already compromised, making it easier for these fungi to create serious problems. Taking antibiotics without a doctor's advice is not a solution. It creates a chain of other issues. This approach is not logical. As I mentioned, in about 95% of cases, you don't need antibiotics at all because the problem is viral. This means you should let the infection run its natural course. There is no medication that can speed up recovery, not even antibiotics, which are mistakenly prescribed and can make the condition worse and slow the healing process. However, if after about 7 days your symptoms worsen instead of improving, such as a fever or increased pain, this may indicate a bacterial infection. In this case, you can consult your doctor about taking antibiotics. If you're like most people dealing with chronic fungal sinus infections, here's how you can fight back. 1. Sinus rinse with saline solution. You can use a neti pot to clean your sinuses of fungi and mucus, reducing inflammation. 1. To make the saline solution, dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in a cup of boiled and cooled water and use it to rinse your sinuses. 2. Vitamin D. Temporarily take about 20,000 IU of vitamin D along with 3,300 mcg of vitamin K2. 2. This helps regulate calcium levels in your blood. 3. A natural remedy with garlic oil, oregano oil, coconut oil, and aloe vera. This powerful combination fights fungal infections. 3. Garlic oil is a potent antifungal and antibacterial agent, inhibiting the growth of fungi and bacteria. 3. Oregano oil is a natural antifungal, anti-candida, and antibacterial solution, particularly effective against fungal infections. 3. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids like lauric acid and caprylic acid, which are antifungal and strengthen your immune system. 3. Aloe vera has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation and irritation caused by infections. 3. To prepare this magical mixture, take a teaspoon, add 5 drops of garlic oil, 5 drops of oregano oil, and fill the rest with coconut oil and aloe vera. 3. Consume 1 teaspoon daily for about a month. 4. Limit sugar and carbohydrates. These fungi thrive on sugar, bread, potatoes, and rice. 4. Switching your diet from sugar burning to fat burning deprives fungi of their primary food source. 5. Steam inhalation. A great method for clearing sinuses and reducing inflammation. 5. Pour boiling water into a bowl, position your face above it, and cover your head with a towel to direct the steam to your sinuses. 5. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Adding a few drops of essential oils like peppermint or eucalyptus enhances the steam's soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. 6. Self-care. Be patient and rest. 6. Keep your head elevated during sleep to make breathing easier and improve your rest. 6. Avoid irritants like cigarette smoke, hookah, and air pollution, as they can worsen your symptoms. 6. Drink plenty of fluids, especially warm ones like broth, bone broth, and chicken soup, without grains. 6. Eat simple, natural, and nutritious foods, avoiding complex and heavy meals. 6. Focus on 2 hearty meals a day to help your body combat the infection rather than digest processed carbohydrates. 6. Anti-inflammatories like ibuprofen or naproxen can help reduce pain and pressure, but avoid long-term use due to side effects. If you have a specific condition, like high blood pressure, simply search for high blood pressure treatment by Dr. Shabir on YouTube, or for cholesterol or fatty liver treatment. You'll find videos with answers to your questions. If you're dealing with persistent post-nasal drip, the cause has been identified, and this video will explain it. Don't miss it, it's packed with useful information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Love you all. See you in one of these 2 videos.